Hi friends, so this video is on this smoky eye look. This is a very simple, very basic, very easy smoky eye look that I do when I feel like putting myself together, zhuzhing myself up a little bit, jazzing my eyes up just a tad to look like I actually put some effort into it. So like I said, it's very basic, very simple. I am not a makeup artist, but I do enjoy playing with makeup. So when I do enjoy playing with makeup, I like to slap colors on my eyes and see how they turn out. And this is one look that I do regularly. So if you guys want to see how I got this simple, easy, basic look, keep watching. So for this look, I will be using the Sephora Pocket Palette, and this one is the cold brown tones, and these are the shades. There are some matte shades and some shimmery shades. If you don't have the Sephora palette, you can really use any palette. So the colors that I'm using are an off-white, a matte off-white shadow, a matte light brown shadow, and a dark matte brown shadow. And then I use these two shimmery golds, but you can really use just one shimmery color if you want. No need to use two, but that is all you will need for this look. And really, if you don't want to use browns, you can use pinks, you can use mauves. You can really use any color combination you like, whatever works for you, whatever you like. Now, let's get into my little simple basic tutorial. So first I'm going to take a flat brush and take the palette, and I like to go with an off-white color and apply that all over my lid, all the way up to under my brow. Then I take a fluffy brush and then I dip into the lightest matte color after the off-white. So this is usually like a light brown, so this shade right here. And I start working that in the inner crease and the outer corner of the eye. So I place the eyeshadow by patting it on in the outer corner of my eye, and then small circles. I just blend the eyeshadow out, and then I like to flick it out like this. This way it gives me a nice elongated look. Now that that's blended out, just a light touch of the brown just to kind of set that base, that transition shade. I like to take the dark brown, the darkest brown, with the same fluffy brush, and just a tiny bit, so that much, I tap off the excess. And then I place this, I pat this on in the outer corner of my eye. And once I place it there, I just start blending it out. And what I like to do with these shadows is just build them up to the color and the intensity that I'm looking for, because I find it's easier when I build them up than apply a lot from the get-go, because then it's always easier to add more than it is to take away. So, and again, same blending method. I start with little blending circles and then windshield wiper motions, and then flick it out. And I'm starting to just build on that color. Then I go in again one more time into the dark shade. I like to tap off the excess because I want to make sure there's not too much fallout. And I just place the color in the outer corner. And now to blend this, and I just bring it in the crease a little bit here. And then what I like to do is take a clean fluffy brush, a blending brush, and use that brush to blend this out. And then what I like to do is take a clean flat brush, and I like to dip it in the lightest shimmery shade. It's like a golden, like a light golden shimmery shade, and I like to put that on the inner corner and on half of my lid. And then I take the next darker shade, which is this golden color, and I apply that on the other half of my lid to the dark brown shade. And then I will take the fluffy brush again, dip it into the dark brown, and just place it on the outer corner of my lid. And I take the clean fluffy brush and I just blend that out. And now I take a fluffy but still flat brush, and I like to dip this into that lighter brown, the matte lighter brown. And then I'm going to put this under my lower lash line, and I just bring it in to about here, 2/3 of the way in, and I like to flick it out as well. And then just a touch of that dark brown, and this picks up a lot of product, this type of brush, so I'm just very lightly pressing on the outer corner some of that darker brown. So this is both eyes finished. I'm just going to put on my mascara, and I will be right back. For the mascara, I'm going to use my current favorite combo, which is the MAC Stack Mascara and the Bounce Colossal Curl by Maybelline. Love these two together. And of course, as always, never ever ever do I apply any mascara without putting my primer on, and this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. I love it. It's great. It works just as well as the high-end brands, and it's worth every tiny penny, and it's so not expensive. Mascara time. First, I go in with the MAC Stack, and I like to apply one coat of this. I start at the base of my lashes and wiggle it through. I'm not too worried about making sure my lashes are fully separated, because this bad boy is going to take care of that. So this has a nice curved brush, and I just like to use this as the last step so it separates and adds a bit of volume, and also just helps with the lengthening a little bit. So here it is. You could leave it here, which I sometimes do. I like to just have this look going as a daytime kind of smoky eye, even sometimes at night. This is good enough for me. But then there's times where you want to add a bit more of that smoky goodness. So that's when I go in with a brown liner. So I like to put this liner on my waterline, and that just adds that little oomph of goodness, of smoky goodness. So enough chit chat, let's pump these babies up. So this is the final look. This is my super simple, super basic, just some smokiness to my eyes that I throw on when I want to look pulled together, when I want to look like I put in some effort, but with minimum work required. Just a little bit of sprucing up to the face, but not too much effort. So this is it. Just simple, basic, nothing fancy. Me and some smokiness to my eyes, some lipstick, and then the face. Ta-da. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I was trying to just keep it light, make it fun, just show a little bit of my personality. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any other videos you'd like me to do, or if there is any products you'd like me to review, or any looks you'd like me to create. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button to see what videos I come up with next, and I will see you guys next time.